Question, we are going to study about the ratio of a short chain fatty acid in the newborn cow and the newborn whales. The ratio of the short chain fatty acid is different in the newborn cow and the newborn whale. Now, according to the question statement, the cows and the whales are the mammals. They produce milk to feed their babies. Now, newborn whale grow faster than the newborn cow. So the milk of both cows and the whale contain saturated fatty acid with the different chain length. Now the table shows the percentage of the saturated fatty acid of the different length in the cow and the whale milk. So in a question statement, examiner is asking which statement about the ratio of a short chain fatty acid from the 4 to 16 to the long chain fatty acid 18 to the onward is in the milk of the cow and the whale is correct. So basically, from the question statement, we'll get this idea that in the newborn, the whale, and in the newborn, the cow. So the percentage of a newborn whale is grow faster than newborn cow. So in this question statement, we got this idea, if that newborn whale grow faster, it need more energy as compared to the newborn cow. So from the table, so it's given that like there's a short chain fatty acid present in the cow, they're greater in number as compared to the whale, while the long chain fatty acid, more than 18 number of the carbon, they are greater in the whale as compared to the cow. So on the basis of this question statement and on the basis of this table data, we got this information like the newborn whale is growing faster, so it needs more energy as compared to the newborn cow. So the short chain fatty acids contain less energy as compared to the long chain fatty acid. So on the basis of this whole statement, we got this idea like newborn whale should contain lower ratio of short chain fatty acid because they release low amount of energy as compared to the long chain fatty acid. So on the basis of this concept, we are going to check the different statement in the questions. So in the first statement, the ratio in the cow milk is higher because the young cow need more energy than the young whale. Now in this statement, if you see that the young cow need more energy. So what about in a question statement, it's given newborn whale is growing faster. So this statement is against the statement of in the question. So that's why here the word more is wrong. We're going to move to the next statement, the B. In this next statement, the ratio in the cow milk is lower because the young cow need less energy than the young whale. So in this statement, the ratio of a short chain fatty acid, when we see that the table data, so this in the table data, short chain fatty acid are greater in the cow as compared to the whale. So this statement is going to be against the data which is presented in the table. So the word lower is wrong here. We're going to move to the next statement, the C. The ratio in the whale milk is higher because the young whale need less energy than young cow. So in this statement, the two values are being given against to the question statement. For example, the whale milk is higher. What about the short chain fatty acid? According to the table data is lower. So that's why this statement is against to the given data. What about the young whale need less energy? Now, according to the question statement, young newborn whale is growing faster, so it needs more energy. So that's why these statements are against of the given statement. We're going to move to the last one. So how it is going to the correct. Now the ratio in the whale milk is lower because young whale need more energy than the young cow. So as we studied about, so the short chain fatty acid, which contain low number of the carbon and they release low energy as compared to the long chain fatty acid. So the newborn cow, newborn cow is growing the lower in rate as compared to the newborn whale. So the newborn whale contain low amount of short chain fatty acid while it contains more amount of long chain fatty acid. So according to the given data, this statement is correct. Hope you got the idea. So thank you. Thank you very much.